here's Poka. Just hanging out a little bit, playing around. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Yeah. A little bit on the smaller side as far as the litter goes. Has more of that curly coat as well. If you guys can see her, she's like, "Come, girl, you getting me?" A bit more of that curly coat, wavy coat. Yeah. Hi, girl. But very sweet. Very sweet. Here we go. There you go. Okay. Very fun though and playful. Very happy girl. Loves people, don't you? Hmm? Yeah, very sweet. A little bit of that snuggle bug. Yeah, you're sweet. Okay. Poka. Go. Just want to get me, huh? Yeah. You happy?